So to create a front, we need to design a form. The form section is just like any general form. The only difference here is um, you have seller or customer or supplier, vendor, those kind of things is what constitute a front, right? So you can have name, company name, phone, email. You can have more fields to this. You can have fax, email ID. A lot of times we store the, if it is, especially if it's a business to business thing, we'll store the VAT number. Sometimes we store the CR number. So you can have as many fields as you want here. Now, in the hidden section, to create a front, there are six essential fields that you must have. Additionally, you must have a button also. So let us take a quick look at the variables that we have used for this. Okay. So here you can see that these are the variables for the main section or the form section. I'll just put it here. This is for the form. Okay. And this is for the hidden section. The variables for the hidden section, you need to create only once for the tenant. You can reuse it in every form. Okay. So these are the form variables. So please make sure you create these as AI action form variables. The hidden variables will also be AI action form variables. All right. So once you have these variables ready, as you can see, these are pretty self-explanatory. Front type, it's attached to front type. Generic relationship is attached to generic relationship. Generic relationship name is attached here. Specific relationship is attached here. And specific relationship name is attached here. Front entity ID is attached here. And then there is a button. All right. So now what do we do here? We already have the data that goes into all of these 5 boxes, right? In this, we know that the generic relationship name is seller, ID is 3296. Custom relationship or specific relationship ID is 3312. Name is supplier and front type is individual. So we go into each of these boxes, go to properties, navigate to default value, type in the value here. Similarly, you can see default values. Please remember these are default values. Okay. Leave the front entity ID box empty. All right. So this is the basic idea behind designing the form. Just a small thing more. Onto the button, right? Go to properties. Sorry about that. Go to the button, go to properties, click on add event, choose the add front event, and then choose the TS insert update event. Okay. Make sure auto trigger on submit is checked, enable synchronous execution is checked, and enable TC creation is checked. Also, please ensure you have attached the variables to these boxes as well. So variables must be attached everywhere. And that's how we design a form for creating a front. Thank you.